Version 2023.1 of Mint TMS introduces a couple of exciting new features and performance improvements. To start off, look at one of the new scheduling features, optional slot groups. You can now set slot group quantity to 0 and create complex slot groups with conditions and eligibility that are only enabled when schedulers change the quantity to 1 or more. Opening projects joined with a bunch of other projects can slow the system down. Now, only direct joins will be loaded. For example, let's assume that Project A is joined with Project B, and Project B is joined with Project C. When opening Project A, both Project A and B will be loaded but not C. To further speed up scheduling calculation, you can now improve performance for request warning calculation by increasing processing power and setting priorities for different types of request warning calculations. Over in reports, we've made it easier to locate the failing report query from an exception error message. The message will now include the key of the report revision. Lastly, we've continued to expand the TMS Web Forms page. You can now complete ad hoc forms and deferred grading from this new portal. We've also implemented offline grading for instructors on the go. For more information about these exciting new features, visit your Mint manual.